I get this question a lot. How secure is the Honda Elevate's anti-theft system, really? Let's put it this way. You'd have an easier time stealing the Mona Lisa than tricking this setup. Honda isn't messing around here. Every layer works overtime. The Honda Elevate comes stock with an engine immobilizer. If your key or remote isn't in range, the car just sits there, as inert as a brick. This tiny chip in your key basically means a would-be thief is left scratching their head, wasting precious minutes. Ever notice that little blinking red light on your dash? That's the indicator for the security system. It's not just there to look cool. It basically tells thieves, hey buddy, taking this car is going to be a pain in your neck. Visual deterrents matter more than you think. The perimeter alarm is a big one. If someone so much as fiddles with your door handles or tries to jimmy open a window, you'll know. The alarm is ear-splitting, enough to wake every dog within 5 blocks, which is both a feature and a flaw depending on your neighbors. Here's a pain point. Lots of folks get locked out of their own cars due to false alarms. A sudden jolt, a slammed door, or even Portland's notorious wind can set it off. My best advice? Store your keys in a signal-blocking pouch at home and double-check windows before locking up. Pro tip: if you lose your original key, replacements aren't cheap. A new coded key can cost upwards of $250 at the dealer. I've seen people try cheap key-cutting kiosks, but those rarely work due to the chip. Save yourself a headache and stick to authorized dealers. Step by step, here's how the system arms itself. Turn off the ignition, step out, and lock the doors with your remote. You'll see the indicator flash rapidly, then blink steadily. That steady blink? That's your signal the car is locked and anti-theft is primed. In case you're worried about tech-savvy thieves with code grabbers, Honda's rolling code technology pretty much nips that in the bud. Every time you lock or unlock the doors, the codes shuffle, so copying yesterday's signal does zilch today. Now you'll hear urban legends about thieves hacking immobilizers, but unless you're tangled up with Ocean's 11, odds are low. With a reported theft rate under 0.3% on recent Hondas with this system, you're more likely to misplace your keys in a coffee shop. A real-life Portland lesson. The anti-theft system is only as good as your habits. Don't leave valuables in plain sight. I can't count how many thefts I hear about that start with a smashed window and end with a swiped backpack or laptop. Some owners install secondary GPS trackers or steering wheel locks. Overkill? Maybe. But if you value that peace of mind, layering is smart. Professional car thieves are discouraged by time. Every extra step, alarm, or blinking light adds minutes, and minutes matter. Summing it up, Honda Elevate's anti-theft system is the kind that lets you sleep a little easier at night. It doesn't make the car untouchable, but it does make it a spectacularly annoying target for anyone hunting for an easy score.